that the engine is cleaned up and ready to go, didn't really take too much, just a little bit of elbow grease. We're ready to focus on the chassis side. And for that, it's really just a debate of what stays and what goes. I've gone ahead and removed the dash, and as you can see, we've got all the wiring loom underneath. Labeled a couple things, like this is the different connectors for the gauge cluster, and everything is exposed. So this is kind of that make it or break it point of when we go full race car.
Everybody knows you never go full retard. What do you mean?
Or what do we leave in order to be a little bit more streetable? I am 90% sure that we're going to go with that full race car route, and that means that all of this is coming out. I'm going to try and get harness and everything out without doing too many cuts. That it could theoretically go back in at some point. See how that goes. Okay, so I think that's going to do it for today. As you can see, we got the dash bar out. A large portion of the wiring harness has been removed. And now the only thing left is this large fuse box here. And this actually runs along the baseline. So I think not too much left in order to get the rest of this out. And then I'll go ahead and continue removing all these other components. Hey guys, and we're back, and I didn't film every step along the way, but to say the least, things are looking a lot different now. All the dash is out, all the wiring is out, all the climate stuff is out. God, that was such a pain. But it's done, and it should make things so much easier for wiring, for plumbing, for the swap in general. And I think that'll be worth it. And plus, half that stuff didn't work anyway, so now I'll be able to do some custom wiring, make sure everything is simple, clean, and most importantly, working. And finally, you can see the engine bay is nice and clean now. Well, it's still dirty as hell, but all of the wiring, those two fuse boxes are gone, the relay box is gone, and we've got a nice blank canvas to work with. So that's it for now. Up next is just getting everything ready to put the engine in the car. We've got to beat out the trans tunnel a little bit, get everything buttoned up, put together with the engine, and then drop it in. Tune in next time, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you then.